This spinner survived one of the most brutal challenges I have ever seen. We dropped it from 3 story, we drowned it, and the last one will shock you. And one of these tests destroyed it completely. Can you guess which one? Okay, the first challenge is to throw this flying spinner from this building. And as you can see, it's 2 story building and it's almost 20 to 30 meters. So now we are going to throw it. So let's see if it survives or not. But before throwing, let's try it on and let's check it if it's work or not. So let's try it on, and as you can see, it's a working spinner. As you can see, it's working as well. So now let's throw it. So 1, 2 and 3, let's go. Okay, now let's go down and let's see. Here is our spinner. So let's see if it work or not. Let's turn it on, and as you can see, it's working, and let's try to fly it. Okay, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So the round 1, it survived. Now let's try it on. Okay, now let's go to the round 2, which is drowning under the water. So let's see if it survived or not. As you can see, here we got the bucket. Now let's fill this bucket with water. Okay, now let's put it on the water and let's turn the timer on for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 30-second has completed. Now let's rinse it off and let's try to turn it on. Will it work or not? So let's try it on, and as you can see, it's working completely fine. As you can see, now let's fly it, and yeah, it's flying as well. As you can see, it's flying properly. Okay, the round 2 also has completed. So okay, now let's go to the round 3, which is the most brutal round. Okay, the last round, which is the most brutal round, because we are dropping this 10-kilo dumbbell into this. So let's see if it survived or not. It survived 25-meter drop, and it survived the water for 30 seconds. Okay, now let's see if this can survive the 10-kilo dumbbell falling onto it or not. So let's put this spinner on like this, and let's drop it from this side. As you can see, it's from this side. So now let's drop it. Okay, as you can see, nothing happened. So let's drop it again from more above, like this much, and we should drop like this. Okay, it got crossed. Okay, as you can see, it got crossed, and I don't think so it will work. So yeah, as you can see, I think none of the flying toys will survive this, but it survived the water test and the drop test. So there you have it. As you can see, the condition of the spinner after the stage 3. As you can see, it's brutally crushed and it won't turn on. As you can see, I'm trying to turn on, but it's not turning on. It's completely done. But I was shocked in stage 2. I was confident in the stage 1 it will survive easily because it's the plastic and it is light as well, so it won't do any damage. But I was little bit concerned on stage 2 because it's an electronic device, and we all know when electronics get contact with water, it will damage. But this thing survived for 30 seconds under the water, and that was the most shocking part in the video. And I was 100% sure that it won't survive the 10-kilo dumbbell test because it is full of plastic. As you can see, it is full of plastic, so I was 100% sure that it would survive the drop. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It actually helps this channel more than you think. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.